favorite breakfast for your some energy for your first day of college school? So you can brush up. Bye, baby. You're the babe. Good luck and take care, babe. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't focus on anything, Mama. Oh, thanks. By the way, what's your name? I'm Gertrude. Somebody in us. I didn't know where my room was. Really? That's my room too. So can go again.
The idea, discipline. Developing personal strength and balance despite the distraction and demands of modern life requires discipline.
Hey, are you okay? No, I really need a job. Can you continue this study in a following my parents? Okay. Hello, babe. Hey, sweet. Welcome, babe. I know now, Carol. Oh, sis. Hello, Carol. I have some favor. And now? Yeah, why? Okay, come to my office tomorrow with that person. Come This is the someone I Hi. Okay, she's hired. Good morning, Madam Carol. Oh, here you are. Take a seat. If you make a mistake in this job, and all of my command for you to do, you'll face punishment. Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure by this I can give more time if you would improve your punishment? Hey, you're not being a human, bro. Let her do what she wants with her.
I know now. Hi, madam. Nagkakita ako today about the project of our company. What project? I hate making mistakes. Sorry, madam. I forgot. Didn't I tell you I hate making mistakes in my company? No, madam. Get her!
Let's go, let's go.
How dare you run to me? What do you need to do?
Yes, madam.
Did Carol take a vasectomy?
No, why?
She didn't go to our class these past few days. Hello, good afternoon. Is this Sergeant Grandparents?
Yes, dear. This is Sergeant's grandma speaking. Why did you call us?
This is Sergeant Humphrey.
No, we didn't. We haven't heard about her. Almost a week. Why? Philip, come here. Our granddaughter's missing.
What? Give it to me. Hello? Where's my granddaughter?
I don't have any idea, sir. I'm worried about her because she hasn't gone to school these past few days. Tomorrow I'll ask them our procession.
Please, update us about our granddaughter.
Class dismissed.
Can I ask, do you know where Zayton is? Do you have any information about her?
Sorry to disappoint you, but I don't have. We track your relatives, but they don't have any idea too.
Why is that? She hasn't gone to school for weeks now.
Sorry, but I don't really have.
Babe, are you okay? Babe, are you okay? What happened? I saw her. Oh, I saw Sergeant. She's gone.
Carol, what did you do to Simon? What? What did you do to her? Tell me.
What are you talking about? Sergeant!
Sergeant? What do you want? Carol, what did you do? Tell me, where did you put Sergeant?
In the basement.
Okay, let's go. Sergeant? Sergeant?
Persha,
Why are you here, Carol?
I have something to tell you
What is it?
about Sergeant's death. It's not me. It's not me who really intended it.
Then who?
Your partner.